Hi guys, today I will show you the oven, the Westinghouse WLE645WC8 oven. So here are the selections for the functions. So you can see rapid heat, fan bake, bake pizza, base heat, defrost, fan grill, then maxi grill. Then there's also a warming drawer as well, so you can turn this on. Then there's a temperature setting up to 250 degrees Celsius maximum. Then there's a clock, and for the four cooktop, ceramic cooktop. So you can see here, this one is setting to low to high, but this one low to high, then low to high on this side. So this is for the left bottom cooker. So you can see there's like a separation between the two, so you can have the option of cooking using this small diameter and the big one. So you can select, this one is full, this one is only the inside diameter. Okay, then I'll show you the oven compartment. So there's this one is separate glass, then there's a fan inside. Okay, then here is the drawer. So if you need to warm something, so here. Then also this model has a connection here for outlet. So if you want to cook something, then on the side you can use this one, and also there is also on another side. Okay, first I will show you to set the time. So this turn on. Right now it's set to 12, so you cannot use the oven if it is not set. So to set that one, so you need to see the correct time today. The time now is 7:30 a.m. So just so only one button. So a little patience here. So 7. What is it? What time is it now? 7:34. Does it just wait a little bit? Then when this one stops, then it's set. Okay. So you can see here there's like a cook time and timer. So the timer is just a regular timer. So it doesn't affect any cooking function, but this cook time, once this one is reached, then the cooking on the oven stops. Okay, so I'll show you how it looks when you turn this on. So let's say this one, right? You can see, so you can see this one, so it will be the same as this one. So interesting is this part. So I select the inside only, so you can see only that one. Then back here, so try the full. It takes a while for the full, maybe because it's set to low, make it a little higher. See, now it is the full one. Off. Okay, so for the oven, I'll try with the fan, just a fan bake, so you can see it is turning on. See the light, then open, so the fan is working. Okay, so that's it. So this is a Westinghouse oven, freestanding oven. Just turn this off again. Okay, thank you for watching.